In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sold order on Depop and issue a full refund to the buyer. If you need to cancel an order after it has already been marked as sold, don't worry. Depop gives you a straightforward way to handle this from your account, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process clearly and step by step so you can complete it with confidence. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the website loads, log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct seller account, especially if you manage more than one profile, since refunds and order actions can only be completed from the account that made the sale. After you're logged in, look to the top area of the page and click your profile picture. This will open your account menu. From there, select your selling hub. This is where Depop organizes your seller activity, including listings, sales, and order management tools. Once you're inside the selling hub, find and click the sold section. This area shows the items that have already been purchased. Browse through your sold orders and select the specific order that you want to cancel. It's a good idea to double check that you're opening the correct transaction before moving forward, especially if you've recently made multiple sales. When the order details open, go to the receipt page for that transaction and look for the refund button. Click refund to start the cancellation process. This is the action that begins returning the buyer's payment through the system. Next, you'll be asked to choose the refund type. Select full refund. This option ensures the entire amount paid for the order is returned, which is what you'll typically want if you're fully canceling the sale rather than only adjusting part of it. After that, choose the reason for the refund from the drop-down menu. Select Cancel Transaction or the closest similar option available. This helps accurately label the reason for the cancellation in Depop's system and keeps the order record clear for both you and the buyer. Finally, review the details carefully and confirm the refund. Once you do that, the refund will be processed and the order will be officially canceled, and that's it. The key is to make sure you're in the correct sold order, choose full refund, and confirm the transaction only after reviewing everything. If you're canceling an order,